So here we are in Mr. Brown's course. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at week 1, Intro to Speech, and click right there. So I've got some activities here, but there's a couple of activities that are going to require me to turn in a document. So I'm going to skip activity 1 and I'm going to go to activity 2. I'm going to click on this document, my reflection sheet. It's going to force me to make a copy. Go ahead and click. So once I've made a copy, I'm going to go up here and change this to my name so that Mr. Brown knows that this is my document. So I'm going to type in my answers, and when I'm finished, I'm going to just go back to the activity. I'm going to leave that window open. I'm going to click right here on the right-hand side, Submit Assignment. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. What I would recommend is I would click on Resources, click on Apps, click on Google Drive. It might ask you to connect to Google Drive for the first time, but as you can see, here is my reflection right here at the top. I'm going to click it and I'm going to import. As you can see, here's my assignment that I have submitted, and I should be done. This way, Mr. Brown will be able to see it on his side.